Now it's recording. Do you hear that awful sound?
It sounds like a dying dog.
Quack, quack. Perfect timing. That was awesome. Those are Anita's hiccups.
Yeah.
I know you're probably wondering why all of our videos are dark like this, because we do them at night. And I can't even tell you how much she's freaking me out when she does that. Oh, they just come at any moment. It's creepy. It's not like I can time it or something to be prepared.
I'm sorry.
It's the weirdest thing ever. Wow.
Hillsong was amazing.
Hillsong, I mean, wow, like no words. It was so darn amazing. It's like the most amazing concert slash, it wasn't even a concert.
It was
a worship service. It was a praise session. It was
on your knees in front of your daddy God.
Wow.
Type thing.
It was just amazing. One on one with your Savior, just lifting hands
and with a ton of people
praising Him. Like, forget concert. Like, not that title. We shouldn't use concert anymore. We should just use like
intimate worship.
Intimate worship sessions. Yeah. IWS. Okay. That's what we're gonna. Okay.
I was trying to.
Okay.
My mind what that stood for, and I hiccup.
That's what we're gonna call it.
This hurts.
Intimate worship session. That's what it was, and it was absolutely amazing, and I loved every minute of it.
I don't think that place is ever open.
Maybe not. So we're driving through, coming, and we're gonna go get some gas. That's what we're gonna do. But you just had to hear her hiccups. And just know that Hillsong is amazing. Like 100 times over. 100 times over. Amazing stuff. Like, I'm still pumped from it. Still pumped. She's my background music. I'm still, there's the park. Say hello. Central Park. I'm still pumped from the concert. Intimate worship session. Intimate worship session. Don't like the word concert. You know what? Because you keep interrupting, we're gonna sign off.
It's not my fault. I can't control these.
The weirdest hiccups in the world. They are really odd. I just can't explain it.
They really hurt.
Yeah. So not cool. What should we do to get rid of them? Scare her. That didn't work.
I'm telling you, nothing works.
That didn't work.
They just go away. I don't know how.
Maybe they just get sick and tired of coming out. Never know.
Oh.
Alright.
Oh.
Say goodnight, Hiccup.
Good night.
No, I'm talking to the Hiccup.
Oh, it'll come when it wants to, not on your command.
Yes. Say goodnight. Haha.
There we go.
It did it. Alright. Gas time. So we're signing off. Yo quiero Taco Bell and Wendy's. And we will see you later. Good night. Cheerio. Okay.
I was